निर्णय किया है कि उन सब भव्य प्रतिमाओं को एक स्थान पर नियोजित तरीके से, सम्मानपूर्ण तरीके से वहां पर एक प्रेरणा स्थल बनाया जाए, ताकि उस प्रेरणा स्थल से आने वाले आगंतुक देशी विदेशी पर्यटक जो भारत के लोकतंत्र को देखना आना चाहते हैं, और उसी के साथ हमारी नई युवा पीढ़ी जो भारत के लोकतंत्र, उसके महापुरुष क्रांतिकारियों और जिन्होंने इतिहास के उन पन्नों के अंदर जब हम देखते हैं कि उनके योगदान को, उन सब की जानकारी सभी आने वाली पीढ़ी को भी मिले।
The BJP has also soundly dismissed opposition's contentions.
The parliament has yet not started. The session has yet not been convened, and Congress is now picking up reasons to stall the parliament. I mean, this is a Prerna Sthal where all the Mahapurush will be given proper due what they were waiting for, so that the whole country can visit and just worship them. But this Congress party, out of mere political gains, is raising issue out of nothing.
पार्लियामेंट होने जा रही है और पार्लियामेंट के शुरुआत से पहले ही इस तरह का कंफ्यूजन क्रिएट करना, इस तरह से कन्फ्लिक्ट का माहौल खड़ा करने की कोशिश करना, ये इनकी कांग्रेस पार्टी की आदत है। जहां तक सवाल है सरकार का या नरेंद्र मोदी जी का, हमेशा वो समन्वय के माध्यम से, संवाद के माध्यम से, सहमति के माध्यम से संसद की तमाम कार्रवाई को करने के हमेशा पक्ष में रहे हैं।
Joining us now on the broadcast is Nalin Kohli, spokesperson of the BJP. Sir, specific question about what Jairam Ramesh has just posted. He says that Parliament's Committee on Portraits and Statues last met on December 18, 2018. It wasn't even reconstituted during the 17th Lok Sabha, which is 2019 to 2024. He is using this to say, basically, that this decision of relocating statues was unilateral. What do you have to say about that?
I think the Congress party, in its desperation to sort of send a message on bravado, that, they have the people of India with them, etc., and all that, is crossing all limits, and they are willing to drag anything and everything into a, sort of question, whether even if it involves Mahatma Gandhi ji. So I think this is their base level politics at the moment. The fact of the matter is that the people of India have given Modi ji a third tenure to serve the people. The Congress for the third time has lost. It has, in fact, in the last 3 elections, not been able to get the total number of seats which is equal to the BJP's tally this time, which is the lowest tally of the BJP between 2014, 19 and 24. Still the BJP has more than the Congress in 3 elections before this. That is the ground reality. The fact is that the people did not believe that the Congress party or the India Alliance had a narrative of an alternative. They have comprehensively been rejected by the people. Yes, they have gained seats in 2-3 states. That would be a matter of analysis, which of course the BJP would see. But the BJP today, under Prime Minister Modi, it is his leadership that has been pressed by the people to form the government. And that's the basic fact. So they are trying to manufacture controversy even before they have taken the oath as members of Parliament.
Sir, there is another allegation that has also been levelled. Jairam Ramesh says that in addition to what has happened right now, Ambedkar Jayanti celebrations may not also have the same scale and significance in the Parliament complex, given that his statue no longer occupies a distinctive place. Is that going to be the case?
Simply put, there is a very famous English phrase, if my aunt had a beard, she'd be my uncle. On the basis of if you can manufacture anything, is the Congress, are we to stop working? Is the government, Parliament, all this to stop working and start coming up with a whole answer on the Congress party's assumptions, presumptions, based on ifs? If this happened, then this would happen. Why should we answer all that? There's nothing like that has happened. These are presumptions. These are based on the Congress party's either own insecurity or it's based on the Congress party's hollow politics. They have to make up their mind what message they want to say, send to the people of India. That they don't have an agenda and therefore are manufacturing controversy, or their politics has become this level.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Kohli, for joining us with your inputs. We shift focus.